This is my Eco 98 Tireflator. I have it now installed in my work in progress gas station that I'm building here. And I just wanted to show how I have it plumbed and the operation. So I didn't want to bolt into the concrete. So what I did was I fashioned this bracket out of 1/8 inch steel, and I just used an existing bolt hole on the Tireflator. And since this is T111 siding, I used these spike nuts in the rear so that I can easily unbolt it and remove it whenever I need to service it. I installed a switched outlet here. So I can turn on the lights, and it's plugged in, so it's not hardwired. Whenever I need to service it, I could just unbolt it from the wall, unplug the electrical, and then here I have a quick disconnect for the air supply. I used some bolts, some washers, and some brass acorn nuts to finish off the bottom of the pedestal so it looks like it's mounted to the concrete. And then in here, I ran my air lines. I used a brass nipple into a 90 and transitioned into 1/2 inch PEX. And then I have it coming in here under the stairs, where I have another quick connect going into a air compressor. This air compressor is a little small, but it's temporary. And I have it on a switched outlet. So whenever we want to air up our tires, we just come in here, flip on the air compressor, select my desired air pressure, activate the system by removing the hose, and proceed to fill the tires. And that's it.